Hi, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and I am here to tell you about an exciting hands-on event that we are very happy to host right here in our classroom with OESD. So first things first, we have Lisa Veith coming in, and she is going to lead a 2-day class on embroidery. You're actually going to make 6 projects. So this is 9 a.m. to 4:30 on Thursday and Friday, September 9th and 10th. Now there are only a few spots left. So if you're watching this video, you want to get right on it and sign up for this. And you're going to have a lot of fun. So the registration fee is $150, but we are also going to be featuring the new BERNINA Crystal Edition 880 and 790 Plus machines. We also have some floor models that we're going to be selling. In addition to that, we have the 770 Plus machines to look at, and even some regular 770s. So that $150 registration fee can be then applied to a new BERNINA machine if you purchase during the event. And also, we are taking pre-orders for these fancy new Crystal Edition machines in the 770 Plus. And if you pre-order during this event, guess what? That's right. There's going to be a special price. I can't tell you about it, but I promise you it'll be worth your while. Plus, you get to have fun with us and a free lunch each day. So come on, sign up. So if you are looking to see what the projects are, they're all really fun. Most of them are in the hoop projects. Some of them feature the new OESD, or Embroidery Online, as you might know them. They feature the table runner blanks, the pillow blank, that pillow that already has the zipper inserted. How cool is that? And then there's another framed design in an old-fashioned embroidery hoop. There's a little cord catcher. There's all kinds of fun little things, and I think you'll take away something from each of these projects. We're also bringing in way more embroidery product than we've ever had in our store before. So you are not going to want to miss this. And you know, this might be a perfect opportunity for your first outing and getting your hands on something like this. What? You don't have an embroidery machine? Well, that's no big deal, because this event, you're going to be using our machine. So you don't have to bring anything but yourself, your good attitude, a pencil, you know, very easy thing. So we hope that we'll see you there. And I'm just going to take you through a little bit about how to sign up. So you're going to go to BERNINAofNaperville.com, and once you're at our website, you can scroll down and you'll see our So Happy event. Once you see the event, you're going to click on that, and then you'll see that you can add an item into your cart, and it's easy as that. You're going to sign up, you're going to go through the shopping process, and then you're registered. And then we'll see you September 9th and 10th for a fun time. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see our tutorials, you want to see some fun stuff that we do here on YouTube, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. So I'll see you in September. I've been told I'm not supposed to sing anymore. Bye-bye.